Hey there, trying to use a promo code on Uber Eats and it's just not applying? Let's fix it. First, clear your app data from your device. If it still doesn't work, then what you have to do, first open the app and tap on your profile icon is the one on the far right corner of the bottom menu bar. Then next, tap promotions. You will see all your active promos listed right at the top. Check the expiration date, the location where it works, and any other fine print. Scroll down and you will find past promotions, stuff you have already used or the expired. Tap View Receipt to see which order it was applied to. Here's the deal with promo codes. They only work once. Leftover credit doesn't carry over, and you have got to apply them before placing your order. No takebacks if you forget. To make sure it's applied, you should see the promo amount taken off your total right before you tap the order button. Still not working? Double check you are using it in the right location, the correct currency, and before it expires. And that's how you troubleshoot a promo that's active up. A few quick checks and you are back to saving on your next meal. Thank you for watching.